Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Paul. Today I'll be creating a simple script for opening and closing a door in Unity. I have my scene from the last video here, which was creating the player, the character controller. So today I'm going to do the door, as I said. I have a door that I made in 3ds Max and textured in Substance Painter. I have a door frame and a wall panel as well, just to make it look a little bit better. Okay, so first of all, what I want to do is I want to create a cube. Some people like to use empty game objects. I just tend to use the cube because it's handy. I can see where everything is. I don't have to be turning things on and off. So I'll just set this to 0.5, so it's at the right spot, and I want to make it 2.5 tall, so 2.5 on the Y, 1.5 on the X, and we'll make it no, 2 on the Z. So it wants to be 2.25. So it's on the ground. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to put my single door frame in and my door in. Just put this into the right position. Okay, so if you don't know, hold V to snap to a vertex and then drag it. And I just need to move it back a bit. That's alright. And then select the two together. And again, vertex snaps V. And so now it's not quite centered, so just move it back over slightly. Roughly centered. That'll do. And again, roughly centered. On this axis as well. So that'll do there. Alright, now I want to change this cube to single door. And put these objects into it. Okay, so single door and turn off mesh render. Put in a wall. And one on the other side. So in the same position. And now, so the single door will have to be a trigger. So on the box collider is trigger selected. May need to be a little bit bigger on the trigger size. Now that we have our single door, we can make an animation for it. So I have my animation folder, and in that I'm going to create my animations for the animator. So first of all, I need to go to Window and Animation. It's outside. with animations folder selected, press create. So we'll always go to the animations folder, and then you want to say door closed idle, and you want to add property. Now you have to make sure that you have the root object of the door selected when you're doing this, and you want to go to door, transform, rotation. It doesn't really matter what you have, which one you select at the moment, because it's always going to be the same. Okay, and then select this and create new clip and do door underscore opening. The same thing again, add property, door, transform, rotation. Now this time it does matter what you do. So now what's going on here? Okay, so we want to move up, and then we want to open the door. So minus, let's say minus 95, and then just press play. There we go, the door opens. So now remember that minus 95, you can use whatever you want. I just think 5 just makes it look a little bit better. Okay, so add another one and call this door open underscore idle. Save it and add property again, door transform rotation, and we want this to be minus 95, and we also want this one to be minus 95. If we just press play, nothing happens, it stays open. That's exactly what we want. And add one more. And door open. Door closing. And same again. Add property door one transform rotation. And door closing wants to be starting off at minus 95 and finishing at 0. So press play, close this again. Right, so that's the animations for the door finished. And press stop. And then we want to go to window, animate. And move them around. You can't zoom in on this, so just try to get them in an easy position to work with. And then this is going to be nice and simple. One to each. Now, parameters, add a boolean, call it single door open, and then select the arrow between closed idle and opening, and we want to come over here and we want to say exit time is false, add, and then single door open true. To make sure this one has exit time checked. Next one, take off exit time, add and change this to false. And that has exit time as well. Now, what I need to do is I need to go to the script. Well, I need to create a script. So C# and opening single door. And double click on it to open it. And here we go. Now, there are a few ways we can do this. First of all, what we need to do is we need to say public animator. And again, I like to have a underscore for animators. I do anim underscore for animations, just to differentiate between the two. It's just easier to find later on. Animator, and we'll call this single door. And we will create a boolean. Public bool, and we'll call it can open door. And then what I want to do is I want to say, I'll do it up here, say equals to false, so that the door will be closed. To start, on trigger enter, and then put a collider in here, and then we'll say if the collider is tagged with the tag player, then do whatever we want it to do. So if it equals to player, I think I will put in a wait here. Wait, so enumerator. Wait to change door. And then we'll say yield return new. Wait for end of frame. And it's wait for end of frame, so we don't need anything there. And then I will say can open door equals not can open door. So basically that will change from true to false or false to true, depending on its original value before this is run. Okay, so I will then say start coroutine, copy this, put it in there, and then we will say, in fact we'll change this to fixed update. So the animator dot set bool and we will say we'll go back and double check the name of the open single door open. Okay, so we want to say single door open. We'll call this can open door. So that's going to give us the value for can open door, or sorry, the value for single door open is going to be changed by this variable here, which is changed here, which is triggered by the on-trigger enter, and then to close the door, we'll say void on-trigger exit. And again, we'll pass the collider through. start this again. So we don't need the start function. So for fixed update, untrigger enter and untrigger exit, and then the wait for 1 frame before the value changes. Okay, and save that. We go back to Unity. We go back to our scene so we can see it. And go back to our game. And I want to put this script, the open single door, onto single door. And then select single door. So it's looking for an animator. And we drag the actual component in. So the entire thing gets dragged into the single door animator component. And then we press play and see what happens. Door opens. It doesn't close. Okay, so why is it not closing? Okay, let's have a look at the animator. Open. Double check again. Now it's not getting switched off. The value was only changing when we entered the trigger. Okay, so why is it not getting switched off? We'll have a look. And untrigger enter, untrigger exit. That looks okay. Now, okay, so just for a moment we can change this to true, and then we can create another one. This false. Change the name of this and put A in. Put an A in there. Let's see, does this solve the problem? Yeah. No, so the problem is with the animator. exit has not been triggered. So you know this is working. Save that and check again. And it's still not picking. So the untrigger exit is having some sort of problem. Okay, so not delete this one. A. And this script. Okay, so we can do it from the script, or from the inspector. So, what is the problem with the script? Small O. You have to be very careful of your spellings on anything like on trigger enter, on trigger exit, on trigger stay, function update, update start, anything like that, because it'll think that you're doing a different script, a different function, rather than the built-in functions. So if I press play again, and that's exactly what happened there. So we walk up, the door opens. So the door will close after me. But as you noticed there, well, as you may have noticed there, I was able to walk through the wall. So, walk through the door, I should say. So on the door, I want to put on a box collider. And box collider onto each wall. And onto the door frame, for convenience, put on a mesh collider. It's a very low poly mesh, so it's not going to make a huge difference. Try that again. Can't run through the walls. Walk into the trigger, door opens. Walk out of the trigger, and it closes. Now, I personally don't particularly like doors that open automatically. So what I like to do instead is I like to do on trigger stay. And again, put in collider call and say if call.transform tag equals player, and then as with the last script I did, I want to do using USA.cpi, and that will give us access to Unity Standard Assets Cross-Platform Input Manager, which again is used for using a controller, Xbox controller, or a mouse and keyboard, steering wheel, different controller types. So I want to say if I will create a public pool, press to open. Okay, so in our, let's say, press to open equals CPI dot get button down, and we'll call this button action. We'll create that in the inspector in a few minutes. Okay, so if press to open, then we can take and just comment that out and save that. Now we need to go back into Unity. We need to go to Edit, Project Settings, Input. In the inspector, open up Axes, add one more, so 19, and change this to Action. Joystick button 0, not Escape. Positive button will be F, and that should be it. So now we go and we press play. Walk up to the door, doesn't open automatically. Okay, we have to change that. Okay, so I walk up to it and press F, and it opens. Okay, and it closes. Okay, so go back to the script. Now we have to change this slightly, and we'll have to say this one is equal to true. Add an A here, copy all of this, paste it back in, put an A on this, call this false, and save that. And back out to here, press play again. Walk in, nothing happens, walk out, nothing happens. Walk in and press F. Door opens, walk out, closes. Now, this, at the moment, we can be looking this way and press F and it will open. But we don't really want, well, I don't really want that, so I think it would be best to put in a raycast, so we have to be looking at the door. We can say in here, we can say raycast, hit, call it hit, and we'll say ray equals new ray, and I would like to have a transform for that. Okay, so public transform T underscore holder, and then we'll say T underscore camera holder dot position, comma T transform. Raycast, and then we say ray out hit, and we'll say 1.5f, which might be a bit long for an arm, but we'll work with that for a moment. And then we will say if transform dot tag equals door, then oh no, we don't want to do that. We want to create another variable, and we would say looking at door needs to start off being false because we won't be looking at the door straight away. We would say looking at door equals to true, else looking at door equals false. And if that's pressed and looking at door is true, then we'll be able to open it. So S back in here, and we want to select the door itself, and we want to add a tag, and we'll call this tag door, because that's what we call it in the script, isn't it? Yeah, that's what we call it in the script. So like the door, and now we add it, and the door should open when we're looking at it, but not if we're not looking at it. Now I will need to draw a ray. Just copy this bit here. And multiply that by 1.5f, comma, color dot clear. Save that. And same variables have not been assigned, so we check the door. The camera holder has not been assigned, so we have to go into our player, like the camera holder. And we'll press play again. Now, there we go. Looking at the door, it opened. Looking away from the door, it won't open. Look back at it again, and it opens. And if you wanted, you could say when you exit, you wanted to wait for a certain amount of time. You could just simply put in another wait to close door. Wait for seconds, and then copy this, put it into seconds, let's say 3 seconds, and copy this and put it up here. To Control S and back in. Just wait for this to load up. Oh no, good, we didn't put a variable in. It's 3 seconds, okay. So we press play. And we walk through. And 3 seconds later, the door closes. So, that's it. Simple door opening and closing. There's not very much to it at all. There's different ways of doing it there, so I hope that helps somebody in making a door for themselves. And in the next video, I will be doing jumping and crouching for the character controller that we made in the last video. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you watch the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.